Welcome to this channel, all-in-one adventure. Before we start the video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. You're likely referring to It Ends With Us by Colleen Hoover, a heart-wrenching love story that explores themes of domestic abuse, trauma, and healing. Here's a brief review. Here are the main character names from It Ends With Us by Colleen Hoover. 1. Lily Bloom, the protagonist, a young woman navigating complex relationships and her past. 2. Ryle Kincaid, a charming neurosurgeon who becomes Lily's love interest but struggles with anger issues. 3. Corrigan, Lily's childhood friend and confidant, who re-enters her life and becomes a source of support. These characters drive the story and explore themes of love, trauma, and healing. Would you like more information about the characters or the book? Plot. The story follows Lily, a young woman who finds herself in a tumultuous relationship with Ryle, a charming neurosurgeon. As their relationship progresses, Lily realizes she's experiencing the same abuse her mother endured. The narrative jumps between past and present, revealing Lily's journey towards healing and self-discovery. Key themes. Domestic abuse. The novel sheds light on the complexities of abusive relationships and the challenges survivors face. Trauma and healing. Hoover sensitively portrays Lily's journey towards healing and finding her voice. Love and relationships. The book explores the blurred lines between love and abuse, highlighting the importance of healthy relationships. Reviews. Many readers praise the book for its thought-provoking portrayal of domestic abuse and its impact on survivors. Reviewers appreciate Hoover's writing style, which tackles heavy themes with sensitivity and care. The novel has received widespread critical acclaim for its emotional depth and realistic characters. 1. Should you read it? If you're interested in stories about complex relationships, trauma, and healing, It Ends With Us is a powerful read. However, be aware that the book deals with sensitive topics, including domestic abuse, which may be triggering for some readers. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with my latest videos.